fatigue, and impaired immune function. Tea contains compounds called polyphenols, which can interfere with the absorption of iron. Specifically, polyphenols can bind to iron in the intestines and form complexes that are not easily absorbed. This can be especially problematic for individuals who have anemia or exacerbate their condition and lead to further complications. To avoid this, it's recommended to drink tea with meals can increase the risk of iron absorption interference due to the presence of other dietary components such as phytates, calcium, and casein, which also inhibit iron absorption. It's also important to note that not all types of tea have the same effect on iron absorption. Black tea, for example, has been found to have a greater inhibitory effect on iron absorption, likely because milk contains calcium, which can help bind to the polyphenols and prevent them from binding to iron. It's important to note that individuals who are at risk for iron deficiency should not rely on tea as a source of hydration, and should instead focus on consuming other beverages that do not interfere with iron absorption, such as water or herbal teas that do not contain polyphenols. Additionally, it's recommended to consume iron-rich foods such as red meat, poultry, seafood, beans, and leafy greens to maintain adequate iron levels. 5. Gastrointestinal issues. Gastrointestinal issues are among the most common side effects of drinking too much tea. Tea contains tannins, which are a type of plant compound that can irritate the digestive system and cause various gastrointestinal problems. These issues can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Tannins are found in many different types of tea, including black, green, and herbal teas. While tannins can provide some health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and promoting heart health, consuming too much of them can have negative effects on the digestive system. One of the main ways that tannins can cause gastrointestinal issues is by irritating the lining of the stomach and intestines. This can cause inflammation and lead to symptoms such as stomach pain, bloating, and cramps. Tannins can also bind to proteins in the digestive system, which can interfere with the absorption of nutrients and cause diarrhea. In addition to tannins, some types of tea can also cause acid reflux in individuals who are prone to it. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in the chest and throat. This can be especially problematic for individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, as it can exacerbate their symptoms. If you experience gastrointestinal issues after drinking tea, it's important to take steps to minimize your consumption. This may mean switching to a lower tannin tea, such as white tea, or reducing the amount of tea that you consume each day. You may also want to avoid drinking tea on an empty stomach, as this can exacerbate its effects on the digestive system. In conclusion, while tea has many health benefits, drinking too much tea can have negative effects on your health. It's important to consume tea in moderation and be aware of the potential side effects. If you experience any negative symptoms, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our health, fitness, and nutrition channel for more informative content like this. Remember to also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome to Health, Fitness and Nutrition, the YouTube channel where we explore the amazing wonders of our bodies and how to keep them healthy and strong. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into one of the most complex and fascinating organs in our body, the human brain. The brain is the control center of our nervous system, responsible for processing sensory information, regulating vital functions, and enabling cognition, emotion, memory, and learning. But what is the brain made of? How does it work? And what can we do to protect it from damage and disease? The brain is composed of two main types of cells, neurons and glia. Neurons are the basic units of communication in the brain, transmitting electrical and chemical signals to each other and to other parts of the body. Glia are supporting cells that provide insulation, protection, nutrition, and repair for neurons. The brain has three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, divided into two hemispheres that are connected by a bundle of fibers called the corpus callosum. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as language, reasoning, problem-solving, creativity, and personality. The cerebrum is also divided into four lobes: